Do you need a simple and elegant dessert that will feed a crowd and use up some of your wonderful strawberries that you have this time of year? If so, today you're in luck, because we're going to be making a simple and elegant strawberries and cream dessert that would be perfect for a family reunion or a church social. So let's get started with our dessert. What we're going to need for this dessert today is very simple ingredients, very few ingredients, so this comes together rapidly. For our crust, you'll just need a 17.5 ounce package of sugar cookie mix. And to that you'll mix a 1/2 cup of butter and 1 egg. For our filling, we'll need 2 blocks of cream cheese that we have pre-softened, 2/3 cup of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. And once we have that mixed, we'll add in 1 8-ounce carton of whipped topping. We'll pour that on our crust, and then we'll add a quart of sliced strawberries. So let's get our crust in the oven. We'll preheat our oven to 350 degrees. We're going to pour our cookie mix into a bowl. Crack our egg. Add it to our cookie mix. Pour in our 1/2 cup of butter. And then we just need to stir this until it makes a dough. We're going to put this into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, and you want to butter your dish or use cooking spray, whatever you like to use, to get a coating on your dish, because speaking from experience, if you don't do that with this particular dough, it will stick to your dish and be quite the challenge to serve. When we put this in our 350 degree oven, we're going to let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's just barely starting to turn golden. You don't want to overcook it, because I found that it gets hard if you let it get very brown. Okay, so now we have our dough, and you can see how this came together just in a bowl. So we're going to pour this into our pan and then just pat it down to fit the pan. We're just going to use our hands to do that. And like I said earlier, this dessert, because you cook it in this 9 by 13 inch pan, will make several servings, and your own family will enjoy this. And if you take it to a church social or to a family reunion, everybody's going to want the recipe. So So you might as well take it with you. Alright, so we've got our dough pressed into our pan, and we're just going to pop this in our 350-degree oven for about 20 minutes or so. Okay, while our crust is baking, we're going to take our 2 blocks of softened cream cheese and add our 2/3 cup of powdered sugar, our 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and our teaspoon of pure vanilla. Then we're going to take our hand mixer and mix this until it's smooth. And you'll want to stop at least once and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Make sure you get all of the powdered sugar incorporated into your cream cheese. And once you have your powdered sugar and cream cheese and flavoring mixed together, you'll take 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping, whichever kind you prefer, and just gently fold it into your cream cheese mixture. Try to get all that goodness out of these beaters. And this you don't want to, really stir it in forcefully. You just want to just gently fold it in so that it can keep some of its fluffiness. If you're enjoying this video, please click like and think about subscribing to our channel and sharing this video with your friends if you think it's appropriate. We would appreciate it. It helps us to continue to make more videos. Okay, so as soon as our crust comes out of the oven, we're going to let our crust cool for 30 minutes. We'll spread this over our crust, put our strawberries on top, and we'll be done. It's been just about 20 minutes, and we've got our sugar cookie crust out of the oven, and as you can see, it's just starting to turn brown, and that's what we want because we don't want it to get hard. Now we'll let this cool for about 30 minutes and we'll start adding our toppings. So we've let our crust cool for about 30 minutes so that our filling doesn't melt. So we're just going to take our cream cheese mixture and put it on and spread it. Then we'll add our strawberries to that, and our strawberries and cream dessert for a crowd will be finished. Now we'll add our strawberries. We'll just kind of try to equally distribute our quart of strawberries on the top. Doesn't that look luscious? And this is a very refreshing dessert because you serve it cold. All right. Normally we'd put this in our refrigerator and let it set for a couple of hours before we ate it. But I want to show you how easily this serves. So we're just going to take our little spatula and cut a square. And loosen it up a little. Just loosen it like that. Take our plate. There we go. Get that last strawberry. So it makes a very elegant and tasty dessert. Thank you for joining us while we made this dessert. We hope you will try it and enjoy it too.